Cowboys in the western United States leave their horses when they die, but never leave their saddles, regardless of how long they need to walk in the desert. Saddles are interfaces that are deeply adapted to our bodies, whereas horses are consumable items. It should not be forgotten that computers are consumables nowadays, but keyboards are interfaces that we can use through our lives. Happy Hacking Keyboard. Redefining what a professional keyboard should be. With every use, you'll experience optimum comfort, different from any other keyboard. Featuring capacitive key switches for a smooth key press and elevated user experience, Happy Hacking Keyboard provides extreme comfort. The cylindrical step-sculpted chassis and adjustable height settings provide greater ergonomics and natural typing. And the minimalist keyboard layout makes for greater speed and accuracy. Optimize your keys using the dip switches to assign different functions to keys, and key map customization functionalities to mold your keyboard around the way you work. Key map assignments are saved into the keyboard itself, so you can have your personalized settings no matter what device you're working on. Its compact size and ability to freely switch between connected devices will enable you to excel at what you do best, wherever you work and travel. When you've mastered our keyboards, our non-printed models are proof that you're a true professional. See for yourself what Happy Hacking Keyboard is all about. When you master it, you won't ever want to go back to using any other keyboard. The iconic digital companion, Happy Hacking Keyboard.